Okay, here are the results of my latest firing test. Looks pretty good. Still having a bit of trouble with blisters on some of the matte glazes on the white clay. These three, for example, these were just cup shapes I threw to test this glaze on. The white clay, lighting isn't great here. I don't know if the camera will see these, but they're little blisters. Not sharp blisters, just kind of rounded edged ones. These two, and on this one, has more on the inside. And then we have some good stuff. This is just another glaze test. And the same white satin clay on the off-white clay has no problems at all. Same with the cream on the off-white clay. And the white clay again has a few little blisters, but only on one side. These are some tests of some Clayscapes glazes from Syracuse. Albany gold, the white around the rim. Hard to see on the camera, probably. Four of them. Glaze is good on these. That's a pretty reliable one. Teapot. Glaze is good. So I did a 20-minute hold at the end of this firing, and cone 6 then. I was going for cone 5. But there they are. And then once it got down to 1900 degrees, I kept the switches on low so that it would cool slowly, and it cooled at about 130 degrees per hour till it reached 1500. This is another side-by-side glaze test. These off-white clay came out fine, and in this instance the white clay came out okay too. It wasn't right next to the wall. So far all the white clays that I had with the trouble glazes on were sitting right next to the kiln wall, and this one wasn't. A couple test tiles. The test tile with the white clay, a white glaze. No blisters at all. I need gloves for this shelf. So, this was just a test. Some different glazes. This is white clay. and white glaze. Has some blisters on one of the side, a side closer to the kiln wall. The rest of it's fine. And again, no trouble on the off-white clay. Getting into kiln posts here. Now, here's the white clay, the satin blue. It went very matte because of the so cool, but it still has a few little blisters frozen in there. But no crazing with the longer cool really helped them bond better. Clay and glaze. This was a test of Clayscapes glazes. That came out pretty cool. A few little blisters in the white and cream again. That looks fine. Get this cord off my... That looks good. Cream glaze and off-white clay looks perfect. White clay, cream glaze. Has some blisters. Just a couple, but not looking good for the white clay. White clay, satin blue. Seems to go much more dull on the white clay. One little blister on the very bottom. Otherwise it looks okay, and the blue came out much nicer on the off-white clay. No blisters. Okay, I have a lot of test tiles on this shelf. That's a nice combination. More Clayscapes glazes. Ooh, these are really dull. I think the dullness might be partly because I thinned the glaze out too much. This one, there are no blisters on white or the off-white. Another Clayscapes combination. Looks good. Another that came out pretty cool. This is the same Albany Gold as the ones on those mugs, just I put a little cream on each one of the faceted sides, and it really changed it. Unless, haha, I bet you that's a coastal blue I put over. I meant to put Albany gold over, but that does not look like Albany gold. A white Clayscapes glaze. That's nice.